So for this recipe, we need 350 ml of ice cold water. And it has to be really, really cold. So here we've already added 250 ml, and this is 100 ml. Just do whatever it is, however you can gauge it, go ahead and gauge it. So next is to add our 500 grams of whipping cream powder. Then the best part, the part that I like the most, the whipping part of it. Please, please, please take note of something. Always whip on one direction. I didn't do that here. Probably I was too excited. This video was done at night and I just didn't bother. I just wanted to get rid of the whole whipping thing and go to bed. So I kept on doing this. So whip on one direction if you want to increase the volume of your whipped cream. As an alternative to cold water, you can use milk, cold milk, very cold milk, and it now depends on what you want. But in this case, I'm just using cold water to make it. I can remember when I wanted to get into this exercise, my daughter was like, "Hey, mommy, rather than using the electric wicks, why not just use the manual wicks? Just keep doing it. You don't have a lot of air in it. Just use the manual wicks." And I'm like, "Ha, do you want me to have a lot of muscles?" I mean, by the time this thing gets so hard, in fact, it will be very difficult to make it stay. It is something that you cannot use a manual whisk for. It's just like using a manual whisk to turn gari. How long are you going to use it? How long are you going to get through the exercise before you get what you want? So I would advise, do not attempt using a manual whisk. Please don't even try. So if you've watched this far and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do click on the subscribe button down there and share your comments. Let's know what you think about it and the experiences you've had with whipped cream. Alright, do check out my crumb coating video for moms on a budget. Go ahead and use any kitchen tool that works out for you. So you can see this is how thick it is, and you continue to whisk. So imagine using a manual whisk. It will be as if you're turning gari. So at this point, this is what we have. Very stable whipped cream. And whenever you realize that the whipped cream is getting a little warm, depending on the temperature of your house or depending on the temperature of the whipped cream itself, you can always support it with a tray, putting very cold water inside. Now I'm adding my flavor. Just 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor is enough for me in this recipe. So notice the tray, it's on a tray, notice it. And the water in the tray is cold water, very cold water, in order to maintain the temperature. So now we've come to the end of this video. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're yet to be a member of this family, and share your comments. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.